Welcome guys to another video. Okay, in this video, as you can see, I'll be teaching you guys how to make sales every day on Clickbank. You can see this is a new topic entirely, and I want you guys to watch this to the end because you actually gain something, and I really appreciate if you can take action immediately after watching this. There have a lot of you, okay, this is my Clickbank account here. There have a lot of you saying you started affiliate marketing, okay, but you're unable to make your fail sale. Unable to make sales. Okay, that's fine. I was also in the same your shoes before, okay, because it's not easy to make sales, especially if you're using the free traffic method. But you can actually still make sales using free traffic, but not much as running ads, that's the paid traffic. But as a beginner, you have to start with the free traffic, maybe to just earn your first $100 to $200. Then after withdrawing your money, then you can use like 50% of your earning to run ads to multiply your earning. Okay, so in later on video I'll be showing you guys the ads aspect, but for now let's stick with the free traffic. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys a new traffic method now. Okay, so before I start, I would really appreciate if you can click the subscribe button, hit it. You can see I've been in 1,000 subscribers for the past 1 to 2 months, and my aim was to reach 5,000 subscribers. I really appreciate if you guys can smash that subscribe button, and also comment down below, comment any problem you are facing in making money online. I really assist you with that. Okay, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's me your time. Let's go into today's video. So logging into your Clickbank account, you can try this with any affiliate marketing program like Clickbank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and I think there are many more. Okay, but here with Clickbank. But then there's this product I want to show you guys sample of called Biotox Gold. It's a weight loss product. I'm just going to show you guys. It's a weight loss product. As you can see, this is the product here, Biotox Gold. So your average, this is the amount you earn just by getting a sale. You get $137. Is that not cool? Just one sale, you make $137. That's nice. So what you're going to do here is, you see, on Google search, anybody that want to buy a product, you have to check for the reviews of the product. Okay, so okay, let me say you are the buyer now. You go back to your Google search and search for the product review. Okay, these are list of ads, people running ads, so people like to click and order, but I'll teach you guys this in later on video. But I want you to see, these are some articles, people writing articles about the review of the product, but these websites are top websites that have grown confidence with Google. But see this YouTube, this is a review video about the product. So if I open this in a new tab, okay, you see there is a review video about, oh sorry, you see there is a review video about the product Baltos Gold. Maybe someone will record his face and explain about it. Okay, let me show you the video. You see there is a review video. Let's just see. So you can see there is a review video. So I'll pause it now because currently my service is bad. So I want to show you guys this. If you come over to the description of the video, she will actually drop an affiliate link. This is an affiliate link here, okay, to show that she will do a video about the product. Okay, then create a new YouTube channel, then post the video. Then you have to like use some tags like this. Okay, but I'll show you guys everything. Also, if you come over to YouTube search here, search for the product review, you see a lot of videos with people getting 17k views, 4600 views, 51 views, 47, 475 views. So that people are really getting views on their videos, and from the views they are getting, people will actually buy from it because people that are interested, they are watching the video. Okay, what you have to do for me now is go over to your Clickbank, okay, and I want you to tap on this, clear this part. When you enter marketplace, clear this part, then tap on the search button here to bring out the list of top offers. So what I want you to do here is you tap, you edit this date here. You want to get product that are just added to the Clickbank, where those products people have not made review on it, because product that are new, people hardly make reviews on them. So you come up, you see this lean belly 3 times, and you get 133 $133, and also check the gravity. The gravity is over 100, is 118. That's a good product. So what you do is tap on promote, and you generate your link. So generate top link, so you copy. So that's for this. So what you have to do now is you go over to YouTube, create a new channel in your new Gmail. You see, like, create a channel. If you don't have a channel, you create a channel. Just give your channel a name. It can be about product review, anyone. So what you have to do now is you use your mobile phone, you put it in the landscape mode, your front camera, make it be clear. Just Google about the product. I see what it's called here, lean belly. You read about the product. When you read about the product, you make a review video about it. Then at the beginning of the video, just try to tell them that there is the official website to the product in the description of the video. So if they're interested, they can click on it, and also tell them that there's a discount if they click on it. Just record a video of yourself telling them the good part about the product, the bad side, how to purchase it. It's not a must you use your PC. You can use your mobile phone. A 5 minutes video, and upload it. Now for the keywords, you can come over here, and I want you guys to install this to your browser, called TubeBuddy TubeBuddy plugin extension. Sorry, you add it to your browser. If you are using Chrome or Firefox, is a extension for YouTube. As you can see, I have the extension here. So what you do now is you search for the product. You search for the product. Maybe what is product here? Search the product, lean belly review. Let me see. As you can see, there's no much review about this product, and people are just, the review there are just recent one. So you find the one with a lot of views. You can see this one has 1000 plus views. So you tap on, when you tap on it, okay, so this is the video here. So if you have the TubeBuddy added to your browser already, you see this. Then what we need there is the tags. We need to see the tags person added to the video. So when you want to upload this yours, you just copy the tag and upload it, add it to your own video, because when you're uploading a video, they ask you for tag. Okay, this tag will help you in ranking. And also you can come over to the person description, and you like copy some of the description, okay, but you exclude all this follow me, okay, all that stuff. You just exclude it, and you add your link here instead of the person own. But just try to edit it while you are copying the description. And also you can copy the person's title, like lane, copy it and just add few more keywords so you can rank more. Okay, as you can see, the person SEO score is 100%. That means everything is good. And lastly, you can copy the person thumbnail. So this is actually a thumbnail. Okay, it was created on canva.com. So what you can just do is you can just do something similar to it. Is not, you can just maybe change the image here and use the same text and image of the product. When you post it, you can just share it to some Facebook groups so as to get more views, and use some other account to give the video like, so you can get rank on YouTube. So that's all. If you try this, you should actually convert. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.